Autoimmune diseases are a group of conditions where your immune system, your body's natural defense system, mistakenly attacks your own tissues. Imagine your immune system as an army. Its job is to protect your body from invaders like bacteria and viruses. In autoimmune diseases, this army gets confused. It starts attacking your own cells, thinking they are the enemy. This can affect any part of the body, leading to a wide range of symptoms. Some common autoimmune diseases include rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, Hashimoto's thyroiditis, and inflammatory bowel disease, or IBD. Each condition affects a different part of the body, but they all share a common thread: a confused immune system attacking its own tissues. The exact cause of autoimmune diseases is still a mystery. However, we know that genetics, environmental factors, and lifestyle choices all play a role. While we can't control our genes, we can definitely influence our environment and lifestyle. That's where the power of natural healing comes in. Did you know that your gut is often called your second brain? It's home to trillions of bacteria, collectively known as your gut microbiome. This complex ecosystem plays a crucial role in your overall health, especially in autoimmune diseases. Think of your gut microbiome as a garden. A healthy gut is like a thriving garden full of diverse plants, while an unhealthy gut is like a garden overrun with weeds. When your gut microbiome is imbalanced, it can trigger inflammation throughout your body, including your immune system. This is where the concept of leaky gut comes into play. A leaky gut is like a fence with holes in it, allowing undigested food particles, toxins, and bacteria to leak into your bloodstream. This sets off your immune system, leading to inflammation and potentially worsening autoimmune symptoms. The good news is that you can nurture your gut microbiome back to health. By making dietary and lifestyle changes, you can restore the balance of good and bad bacteria in your gut, reducing inflammation and supporting your immune system. Food is more than just calories. It's information that your body uses to function. What you eat can either fuel inflammation or fight it. That's why making dietary changes is often the first step in managing autoimmune diseases naturally. Think of food as medicine. Just like certain medications can reduce inflammation, certain foods can have anti-inflammatory effects on your body. On the other hand, some foods can trigger inflammation, making your autoimmune symptoms worse. The goal is to identify your personal food triggers and adopt an anti-inflammatory diet that supports your gut health and immune system. It's not about deprivation, it's about making conscious choices that nourish your body and help you feel your best. Remember, everyone is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's important to listen to your body and work with a healthcare professional to create a personalized plan that meets your individual needs. Section 4. Foods that fight back, nourishing your body to heal. When it comes to fighting autoimmune disease, your plate can be your most powerful weapon. By incorporating nutrient-rich anti-inflammatory foods, you can provide your body with the building blocks it needs to heal and thrive. Load up on colorful vegetables and fruits. These vibrant foods are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that fight inflammation and support your immune system. Aim for a rainbow of colors on your plate. The more variety, the better. Embrace healthy fats. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon and chia seeds have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Incorporate these healthy fats into your diet to reduce inflammation and support overall health. Choose whole grains over processed grains. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats are rich in fiber, which feeds the good bacteria in your gut. Avoid processed grains like white bread and pasta, which can contribute to inflammation. Section 5. Foods to avoid, eliminating the triggers. While incorporating healing foods is crucial, it's equally important to eliminate foods that can trigger inflammation and exacerbate autoimmune symptoms. These dietary villains can wreak havoc on your gut health and immune system, so it's best to avoid them as much as possible. Steer clear of gluten. Gluten, a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye, is a common trigger for autoimmune reactions. Consider eliminating gluten from your diet to see if it makes a difference in your symptoms. Limit dairy products. Dairy can be inflammatory for some people, especially those with autoimmune conditions. Try reducing or eliminating dairy to see if it improves your symptoms. Cut back on sugar. Sugar is highly inflammatory and can feed the bad bacteria in your gut. Limit your intake of added sugars, sugary drinks, and processed foods. Avoid processed foods and unhealthy fats. Processed foods are often loaded with sugar, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients that can contribute to inflammation. Choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Section 6. Lifestyle changes for autoimmune health. Managing autoimmune disease goes beyond just diet. It's about adopting a holistic approach that addresses all aspects of your well-being. By making simple yet powerful lifestyle changes, you can support your body's natural healing process and improve your overall health. Prioritize stress management. Stress is a major trigger for autoimmune flare-ups. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as yoga, meditation, spending time in nature, or pursuing hobbies you enjoy. Get enough sleep. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more stress hormones, which can worsen inflammation. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Move your body regularly. Exercise has anti-inflammatory effects and can help reduce stress. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. Connect with others. Social support is crucial for managing any chronic illness. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family, or consider joining a support group for people with autoimmune diseases. Please like, subscribe, and DM me for consultation. Section 7. Your journey to healing, a lifelong commitment. Healing from autoimmune disease is a journey, not a destination. It's about making gradual, sustainable changes to your diet and lifestyle that support your body's natural healing process. It's about listening to your body, experimenting with different approaches, and finding what works best for you. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. There are countless resources available to support you, including healthcare professionals, online communities, and books like The Autoimmune Solution that provide evidence-based information and practical advice. Managing autoimmune disease is a lifelong commitment. It requires patience, perseverance, and a willingness to make lasting changes. But the rewards are immeasurable: a healthier, happier, and more vibrant you. Start your journey to healing today. Please like, subscribe, and DM me for personal consultation.